Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable SSO with Okta for Salesforce, full guide step by step clearly. To enable single sign-on, or SSO, with Okta for Salesforce, start by logging into your Okta admin dashboard. In the Okta dashboard, click on the Applications tab. Select Add Application to begin the integration process. In the search box, type Salesforce. From the results, select Salesforce and then click Add. On the Salesforce settings page, enter your Salesforce instance URL. You can find this URL in your Salesforce setup under the Company Information section. Next, ensure the subdomain field is filled out with your Salesforce domain. Proceed to configure the required SAML settings. Download the Okta certificate from the Okta dashboard for later use. Navigate to your Salesforce setup page and search for Single Sign-On settings. Click on New to create a new SSO configuration. Fill in the necessary details from your Okta setup. In the Issuer field, input your Okta domain. In the Entity ID field, use the Salesforce URL you noted earlier. Upload the Okta certificate you downloaded. For the name field, give your configuration a clear title, like Okta SSO. Enable the SSO setting and save your changes. Next, navigate back to the Okta application settings for Salesforce. Under the Sign-On tab, find the SAML 2.0 settings. Copy the Identity Provider metadata URL. In Salesforce, go back to the Single Sign-On configuration and enter this URL. Save the configuration again in Salesforce. At this point, you need to create a new user in Okta that matches an existing user in Salesforce. Assign the appropriate licenses and roles within Salesforce. Next, review and configure your login policies in Okta. Once that is done, test your setup by initiating a login from Okta. Ensure that the user is redirected to Salesforce and can access their account seamlessly. If everything works smoothly, your SSO setup is complete. Now, go ahead and inform your users about the new SSO login process. Monitor user feedback and resolve any login issues quickly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.